Hi guys, this is a tutorial video for how to do golden finger toss. So I'm going to show you how to do it first, and then I will explain it step by step, and then I will do it in slow motion. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so obviously you need to know how to do golden finger before this, and there's like not a really specific method that you need to use to get into it. Just as long as you're on your finger in your right hand, and then taking the string, putting your right stick on the ground, and just holding it in your left hand like that. So hold it up to your left side, and then once you're ready, just throw the yo-yo on, probably around like the middle to near the bottom, I guess. It doesn't really matter where you throw it, just don't throw it too high or too low, just like straight in the middle. It'll just start spinning like that, lift your left arm, and then just, it'll swing over, and then you can catch the other stick, and undo all the loops, and that's all it is. It's not a very complicated trick. Just catching it, maybe it might take a little while. You just gotta, it'll spin around a lot, so it'll take a while to undo all the loops. But yeah, that's basically it.